Integers part 3. Today we are going to continue with exercise 1A. Let's see third question, verify. So what we need to do here in this problem is we should check whether LHS is equal to RHS. So what is LHS and RHS? So equal sign is here. Before that what we see it is called as LHS, that is left hand side. Towards your left hand, what equation that you are able to see is called as LHS, and other side, right side of the equal sign is called as RHS, that is right hand side. So here we need to verify whether LHS is equal to RHS. Given equation is equating properly or not. So what we need to do now, we need to take first left hand side portion, then find the value, then right hand side portion, find the value. Let me take only LHS part, that is 37 into, this is called as braces. This flower bracket is called as braces, and 8 plus, and this is called as, this bracket is called as parenthesis, minus 3 and close braces, which is equal to, so according to Bodmer's rule, which one we should complete first? Whatever there in the bracket. But here you can see two types of brackets. So which one to do first? So for that, you should need to know which need to be done first. So I'll just tell you, there are three types of brackets used. That is, one is parenthesis, then comes square bracket, then comes braces. So always in maths, we need to solve whatever there in the parenthesis. After solving parenthesis, then parenthesis will vanish, then only square bracket and braces will be left out. So then next we need to solve for square bracket. Then square bracket will vanish after once we solve inside equations. Then next we need to remove braces. This is how in maths we use all different brackets. So here which one we should take first? We should clear out this parenthesis. Let's see. 37 into, so let braces be like that only, 8, and here you can see minus and plus. When there is minus and plus, two different sign when we are multiplying, what happens? We get minus sign itself. So minus 3. Now there is no parenthesis, only the braces. Now let's solve for braces. That is 37 into 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. Now braces also vanished. Now final thing what we need to do is multiplication. That is 37 5s are. It is 185. 185. What is my answer in left hand side? It is 185. Let me take RHS part on the other side. So 37 into 8 plus 37 into minus 3. So here again we have parenthesis. We need to remove parenthesis first, then we should go for multiplication, then go for addition or subtraction. So let's see 37 into 8. Here plus into minus. What is plus into minus? It is minus. So 37 into 3. Next, let's see 37 8s are 296. 296 minus 37 3s are 111. So 296 minus 111 equal to 185. So you can just observe LHS is equal to that of RHS. That we have verified the problem. It's right, correct? What we have seen here, on the left hand side, we saw that 37 is a common factor and 8 and 3 are put inside the brackets, right? And other side, you have 37. Here, 37 has been taken as common. So, which property says that? This is distributive property. So let's move on to next problem. Here is a parenthesis, so minus sign will come out. Minus 82, then parenthesis will vanish into, then whatever there in the parenthesis first we need to resolve, then minus 4 plus 19. Next, what we need to do, don't forget to put equal sign, it is very important. Minus 82 into, now you need to solve whatever there inside the braces. So 19 minus 4 is 15. Is it plus 15 or minus 15? It is plus 15 because 19 is the highest value. So it is 15 plus 15. So now you need to multiply 82 and 15. We get 1230. 1230. But what sign we need to place here? Since 82 is having negative sign and 15 is having positive sign, we need to place negative sign because 1 is odd number. Now we got LHS equal to minus 1230. Let's see on the right hand side what happens. Equals to, first let's remove parenthesis, minus 82. Here minus 4 and here plus into minus. What is plus into minus? When there are different sign, it is minus. Then write the value 82 into 19. Here we need to multiply these two values and multiply these two values, right? First, let's do that. 82 fours are 82 fours are 328. 328. So, but you should be careful while using the signs. Here in 82 we have negative sign, in 4 also we have negative sign. When there are two negative signs, its value will be positive, right? Plus. Why? Because 2 is even number. So when there are even negative signs, then the answer will be positive. Okay, let's move on to the other part. Here one is having minus and one is having plus. What will be the sign here? It is minus. So 82 19s are 82 19s are 1508. So when we subtract, see here now we have plus sign here and minus sign. When there are two different signs, when we don't have multiplication sign, only we are having addition and subtraction signs, then which one to do, which operation to do, whether it is subtraction or addition, it is subtraction. When we have different signs, then subtraction. If we have same sign, then we need to add the values. Yeah. So now we have different sign here, so we need to subtract. So 1558 minus 328, it is 1230. But what sign? Which is the highest value here? It is 1558. So its sign will come here. 1230. So when you look into LHS and RHS values, it is same. So LHS equals to RHS, hence verified. Just write that statement under this. So hence verified. Understood? Next. Here again we have braces and parentheses. We need to solve for parentheses first, then go for braces. So here left hand side, before that let me take a divider between left hand side and right hand side. Okay, parentheses, so braces 7 minus, okay, here minus into minus will be plus, right? So we need to write plus here and need to remove that bracket. Which bracket is that? Parenthesis. Now it became 7 plus 7, right? Okay. Now close the flower bracket, then into 7 equal to, now what we need to do? We need to remove braces. So 7, what is there inside the braces? Yeah, 7 plus 7, it is 14. 14 into 7. Now we need to calculate. 14 sevens are 98. So left hand side is 98. Right hand side, let us solve. Right hand side. 7 into 7. Here 2 minuses are there. When one is inside the bracket and the other one is outside the bracket. So then we need to multiply the signs. So minus, when we have two minuses, then we get plus value. It is 7 plus 7. Then into 7. Now which operation we need to do first? It is multiplication. 7 sevens are 49 plus 7 sevens are 49. So 49 plus 49 is nothing but 98. So we'll write LHS equal to RHS. Hence it has been verified. Let's solve for left hand side now. Here also we have parentheses and braces. So let's solve for parentheses first. Let braces be like that. Minus 15. Remove the bracket. Next minus 8. Close the braces into minus 6. Now we need to solve for braces. So we need to remove braces. So we need to add or subtract. It is addition. Why? Because both are having same sign. We need to add them. But what we need to place its sign as minus. Why? Both are having minus sign. So minus sign will be carried to the answer. But we need to add. When we have same signs, whether it is plus sign or minus sign, if it is same, then we need to add, but place the sign what is there in the given values. Next, we removed braces. Now multiply with 6. So now 23 6 138. 138. See, again we need to observe sign. So both are having negative sign. So answer will be positive. Okay, now let's take right hand side. We need to remove parenthesis. Minus 15 into minus 6 minus 8 into minus 6. So now we need to multiply. That is 15 6 90 with plus sign, because both are having negative sign. We need to multiply these two values, and then both are having again minus sign, so we need to give plus sign. Then 8 6 48. So 90 plus 48 is 138. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence we can say that it has been verified. Eighth problem, 18 integers are multiplied together. Then what will be the sign of their product if conditions are given? Okay, now 18 integers are there. These 18 integers are multiplied together. What will be the sign of their product? If 15 of them negative, 3 of them positive. But we need not worry about positive values. We need to only look into the negative values. Why? Because whenever odd number of negative signs are there, then when we multiply those numbers, we get negative answer. So if we have even number of negative sign, then we will get positive sign. So here, when 15 of them are negative, 15 is odd number. So answer will be negative. Right? Understood? Negative. Okay. Next. So 12 of them are negative. Now 12 of them. So 12 means it is even number. So what will be the answer? Positive. Next, 9 of them are positive and the remaining are negative. Remaining means out of 18, 9 are positive. Then 9 are negative. 9 is again odd number. Then answer will be negative. Next, all are negative. If all are negative, 18 numbers are negative means 18 is a even number. So it is positive. Ninth question, find which is greater. For this, what you need to do? You need to solve the problem and check which is greater. So let us take two equation and check. 8 plus 10. What operation that we need to do first? Here, whatever there in the parenthesis. So 8 plus 10 is 18. Remove parenthesis into 15. So 18 15s are 270. 270. Let's see other side now. Here, which operation we need to do? No parenthesis, only addition and multiplication signs are there. So in this, we need to select multiplication according to Bodmer's rule. So let's do multiplication first. 10 15s are 150. So 150 plus 8, 158, which is greater now. This first one is greater. So you can finally write the expressions, that is 8 plus 10, close the bracket, into 15 greater than 8 plus 10 into 18. Clear? Similarly, you can pause the video and verify the next one. Here again parenthesis we need to remove first. 12 into 6 minus 8, it is 2. Now we need to multiply 12 twos are 24 with negative sign. 12 6 are 72 minus 8. It's 64. Now which is greater? Greater is the second one, that is 12 into parenthesis open 6 minus 8 parenthesis close is less than 12 into 6 minus 8. Clear? Now first part we have braces as well as parenthesis. So let's solve for parenthesis first. That is minus 3, remove parenthesis 1, minus 4, close braces into minus 5, which is equal to, now remove braces, 4 plus 3 is 7 with negative sign because both are having negative sign. We need to add it and place negative sign. And now both are having negative sign. The answer is positive. So 7 5s are 35, but with plus sign, not minus sign. The other side, remove parenthesis, 4 into minus 5. Now which one we need to do first? It is multiplication, so minus 3 as it is, and minus into minus it is plus. 2 minuses are there, so it is plus. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 3 is 17 with plus sign. So which is big? First one is big, so minus 3 minus 4 close braces into open parenthesis minus 5 close parenthesis is greater than minus 3 minus 4 into open parenthesis minus 5 close parenthesis. Clear? 10th question is state true or false. First question, product of two different integers can be 0. Is it true? If yes, why? Yes, it is true because, let me explain you. Here, let us take two integers. We know that 0 is also an integer, and let us take 0 as one number and 8 as another. So when you multiply these two numbers, the answer is 0. Similarly, you can take any number with 0, you will get 0 as answer. So it is true. Next question is, product of 120 negative integers and 121 positive integers are negative. What we need to concentrate here? We need to concentrate only on the negative values. So how many negative values are there? There are 120 negative values. So 120 is even or odd? It is even. So it is true or false? It is false. Next one is false because according to distributive law, it should be like A into B plus A into C, where A is getting distributed with both B and C. But here it A has been only distributed with B, not with C. So this is false. Similarly, let us take the other one. Here also again, see, A is only A's position have been changed, and inside the bracket we can see negative sign. Whether it is negative sign or positive sign, rule is same. Distributive law again says that A need to be distributed with B as well as C. But here A is only distributing with C, not with B. So it is false. If any doubt, don't forget to message me. In the next video, we are going to discuss about division of integers. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Mania Times.